This is our plate-loaded low row machine. If you ever are curious what muscle groups it works or how to perform the exercise, you can take a glance at this plaque that's located on the top of the machine. The only adjustment you have to make is going to be the seat, and your goal is to find a height where your chest is kind of leaning over, or your chin is not in the way of this chest pad. So it doesn't have an adjustable button or lever. You just tilt and it's gonna move on its own, or tilt and you can push it down. So I brought mine a little bit higher so that I'm at a comfortable seated position. Before we get started with the exercise, we wanna add some weight. And for this one, our weights are nearby. I'm gonna add a plate to each side. In this case, I'm adding 10 pounds. And because there is no option for this machine to tilt, a barbell clip is not necessary. Again, you're gonna load in, face the machine, and you have two grips. This lower grip is going to allow you to work your rhomboids, which are in the center of your back. And then if you choose the outer grip, this is gonna work more of your latissimus dorsi, which is more on the outside of your back. The nice thing here is that you do have the option to work one side at a time. When you're all done with equipment like this that requires setup with weights, please always unload your weights and put them back where you found them.